This start has really fucked me up.
Oh, you have a bigger rock than me. Plus. No. Oh, god damn it. Hang on. I know you're threatening me.
Oh no,
with...
take
me.
your time.
I just need to threaten me when I am smart. Ooh, good location.
Ooh, next to a river.
Mmm.
Is there water nearby?
No.
Yes.
No, there's no water nearby at all.
I didn't see it yet. There's a fucking...
You said, ooh, next to a river, and you're like, where's the water? Oh, what's this?
That's gonna be this little sleeping hut.
Where's the crafting book? Ah. Wonderful.
Wait, you made a whole... You're making a whole ass house?
Look, I don't like camping, alright? I'm gonna make camping tolerable. Oh, hi.
Here you go.
Come here. Hey, I've got dinner. Oh, these look just about ready. Mmm. Mmm. That's good.
Oh, that's good schmutz right there.
That's good eating. Oh, so many bones.
We finished.
Dude, this... got so many bones, man.
I know.
Oh, I can't make a bone bed. I'm so sad. Oh! No, I guess I have... I have the perfect decoration.
Is it the bone chandelier?
Yeah, you got me. You got me with that one.
Oh, that's crazy. How'd I know that?
I don't know. Oh, wait, no. Before I make that, I gotta make the bone chair. Bones.
Don't throw anything.
Oh! Oh, yeah, this is the life.
Oh. Sitting on the bone chair.
Oh, it's so comfy. You should make yourself one. Plenty of bones to go around. I just walked...
Do you like the placement?
I just walked in. This is the bone chandelier.
It's the bone chandelier.
Is that a tree falling or is thunder just go off?
Oh, you just happy to see me? No, it was a tree falling.
Can that be your answer to anything that's actually a question? Is that line up? Oh, no, you just happy to see me. But actually, yeah, it was. It's just gunfire.
I'm hungry. I don't want to eat my berries.
Lunch.
Wait, is lunch here?
Wait, where'd lunch go? I lost lunch. Wait,
Oh,
lunch
lunch
is climbing a tree. No, wait, lunch is jumping in the tree.
Yeah, lunch do climb.
Okay, lunch is a bit difficult to catch. He's planted his buttocks upon the chair and doesn't want to get off.
I know.
Are you allowed to
He's
bounce
not
around?
leaving for anyone. Place your 5 bones in there.
Oh,
Oh, beautiful.
now that really brings the whole room together.
I feel good.
A deer. Die.
Die.
Oh, okay. You can have the deer. I don't want it.
I found a moose.
They call 'em mice in a group.
What do you call a group of moose?
Mice.
Mice. I don't know why it's funny.
It's dumb.
This is an entirely different animal. I don't know. You're not gonna vomit when you have it.
I've literally never vomited whilst eating human meat. How long do you reckon we would last till we started consuming human flesh?
Less than a day.
It's like... you were left outside of McDonald's for 5 minutes. You've already eaten a homeless man. Alright, so day 3 and we've already deforested most of this place around us. And we've eaten several people and used their bones to make furniture. I wonder what that Virginia girl thinks of us.
Probably loves us.
Just watching from afar and just horrified. It's like, what the fuck are these guys?
I've been surrounded by cannibals for so long, but these are the scariest people I've ever met.
Look at me. I am Man Beast, hunter of bird.
Oh, man beast.
I missed the bird. I made fence. Hunga bunga, me make fence. Nope. I made a triangle.
You did. That's really good, Blake. Blake, do you like where I slept?
We just like Over your whole domain, I see.
Yes. Oh, there she is. I have nothing in my hand. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me.
Oh, she's got
It's like
nipples.
the... Wait, she does?
She did.
Come on.
Ah, the beginnings of
I
a
am
magnificent wall.
Yes.
Yes.
It has begun. Don't be... I'm not that
Ah!
threatening.
Intruder! He's climbing my impenetrable fence.
What?
He climbed my impregnable defense.
Fuck.
I
Oh. That was some Dying Light shit right there.
Teamwork makes the dream work. More bones. What?
Start building.
Oh, what are you doing?
I was like, oh, what if I just made 2 lookouts just have like a little bridge?
You can actually make a rope bridge.
Why would I do that?
That's such. How many logs? 450. Don't take any of my logs. I'm building my wall. I get scared every time I hear a fucking log fall down.
No, that's fine. I'd never directly aim it towards you.
I
Oh,
see a
watch out,
tree
Blake.
coming directly towards me right as you fucking said that.
There's a lot of wood in your house.
I don't like that. What have you done to my home? Oh! What have you done to my home?
It's fine, it looks better than ever. Like the shelf.
Like how we just have a fucking log cabin over here for Calvin who doesn't need it. We have a lookout tower for you, a second little hut for you, a lookout tower for someone, a second hut, and 2 lookout towers being built for 2 fucking people.
Well, lookout towers are literally just so I can like jump back and forth and feel good about myself.
Hello. Oh, she's shaking and backing away. No, Nick, that's not how you... That's not how you make...
Back here, you bitch!
I was making progress and you just came along with a rock like,
Be
Unga
my
bunga
friend.
woman!
Keep my friend. Can I cram?
You really are just like a caveman. It's just like, Unga bunga woman, sex now.
Yes.
Alright, save. Sleep? Or...
Did you want to?
Ah, we'll be fine. Where's this guy?
There's bones here.
Oh. Oh. Daytime.
I missed home.
I missed our 7 houses. Oh, quick rest. Oh, yeah. Ah, Calvin, join me.
Ooh, butterfly.
Alright, goodbye.
I don't know what to do with all the like wood that we've chopped up a lot.
Throw it in the river. He usually takes it away.
I feel like that's fucked up somehow.
It's just wood. Look,
Just
we'll
adding
move
to
on.
the environment.
We'll move over to microplastics later on.
Hey, chuck me up a log. Or 2. Fucking bonked! And I just saw blood leak from your head.
Ow.
Oh my god. You're dunces. You're dunces.
We should sleep.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm outside.
What the hell?
Oh, sturdy. Ow! Oh,
What the fuck? What are you doing, Abe?
Baby.
Fire bad. Where am I?
God. Fucking hell.
Hey,
Yeah.
look at me. High five. Oh, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, sir, that I've offended you this badly.
I don't know why my inner like muscle man came out.
Is that what it was? And I want like a cannibal to walk in the door, just see what's happening, just slowly back off, just like, huh? Oh, hello. Speak of the devil.
Wait, really?
Do you not see this guy who's running
Oh,
around?
Jesus! He just comes in and sees us by the fire and then sprints the fuck off. Why does it say I can door here? Like... Let me just close that up.
Excuse me?
Oh, God. See what I mean? Go fucking wicked, dude.
Oh,
Oh, wait, what happened?
No!
What happened? What happened? What happened?
look at the long thief!
Like, you fuck. You fuck.